Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a question. So the two figures are given over here and they have mentioned this ABCD is a rectangle. Find the values of x and y in each case. So first let us go through the properties of rectangle and we'll solve the first question. So what are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal to each other, and for a rectangle all the four angles are going to be 90 degree. And what about the property regarding the diagonal of a rectangle? The diagonals are equal. What is the meaning of that? AC and BD both are equal because these two are the diagonals, right? And also these diagonals are getting bisected with each other. So this and this is equal, and even this and this is equal. So obviously all the four bisectors are equal, like OA, OB, OC, OD. Why all four are equal? Because ACBD itself equal, then their bisectors are also going to be equal to each other. With this property only we are going to solve this question. So when I am looking into the first diagram, if you just concentrate the triangle OAB, so OA is equal to AOB. Why it is equal? Because just now we have went through the diagonal property. The diagonals are equal and also these diagonals are bisect with each other. So obviously OA is equal to OB. So then if I consider OAB as a triangle, that is going to be an isosceles triangle. The reason is OA equal to OB. So if this is an isosceles triangle, they have given OAB measurement. So obviously the OBA is also going to be 35 degree only. So we have found this one. And we know the another property, all the corners are going to be 90 degree. All angles in a rectangles are 90 degree. So if I take angle B, so angle B has been splitted into two parts. One is X and another one is 35. So we know angle B is 90 degree. So what is 90 degree? So when we are solving this, we will get X equal to 55 degree. So we found the answer for X as 55 degree. Yes. So still we have what? Y is there. So what is Y? When I am considering AOB angle, AOB and COD are vertically opposite angles, right? So if I found AOB, so it is equivalent to COD. So how to find AOB angle? So in the same triangle OAB, we know two angles 35, 35. If you sum it up, it is going to be 70 degree, right? So using angle sum property of triangle OAB, and we know at A and B it is 35, 35, so it's going to be 70. Then the remaining over here, which is AOB, as 110 degree. So we found what is AOB, which is 110 degree. So these two are vertically opposite, right? So which two are vertically opposite? AOB and COD are vertically opposite. Once this is 110 degree, then Y is also equivalent to 110 degree. So we have found the value of X and Y for the first picture. Now let us see the value of X and Y for the second figure. So for this figure we are going to do. So here also we can use the same diagonal property. What is that? The diagonals are equal to each other. Also the diagonals are bisect with each other. This is what the property. It means what? All OA, OB, OC, OD all are equal. Why? AC and BD is equal, so all the bisectors are also equal. So here they have mentioned at AOB it is 110 degrees. So obviously what is the remaining? So if this is 110, this is going to be 35 and this is going to be 35. That means at OBA this is also going to be 35. Why? AOB is an isosceles triangle where OA equal to OB. But our question is we have to find what is this angle and what is this angle. So here we are going to use the transversal property. So we can take the alternate interior angle. So if this is at OAB it is 35 degrees. So obviously Y is also going to be 35 degree based on the alternate interior angle. So if this is 35 degree, then our X is equal to 55 degree. So the same question but in different way they have asked. Hope you understood. Thank you.